Yes.
Your Lordship, I was at paragraph 4 of our affidavit, where we confirmed that the second petitioner was under investigation for his involvement. They just concluded demonstration, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, if you look at paragraph 14, it's clearly indicated that as at the time my clients visited the apartment of one Ndiang'ui Kinyagia, the gentleman was not at his apartment. He had left. The caretaker has also confirmed that the gentleman left in the company of two other unknown ladies, Your Lordship. Their identities was not disclosed. This is at paragraph 14 of my affidavit, Your Lordship.
That is the deponent stating.
Yes.
It's not the caretaker.
Yes, Your Lordship. The caretaker, I'm aware, Your Lordship, the caretaker is not present.
No, it's not the caretaker stating. It is the deponent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So,
but part of this
so that I record you retain information as it is, rather than attributing it that it is the caretaker speaking, because the caretaker has no affidavit here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So it is the deponent stating that that information is from the caretaker.
Your Lordship, if part of it, because when my client
I've read that bit.
Yes, because when my client visited, they did not find the petitioner, the second petition. So this information they retrieved it from the caretaker, Your Lordship.
Yes.
That's why it is.
So that is according to the deponent.
Yes, Your
that's what the caretaker said.
Yes, that's the position.
It's not the caretaker saying.
Yes.
Okay.
So, Your Lordship, this necessitated my clients to break into that particular apartment. And Your Lordship, an inventory.
So who broke in?
My clients. That is the second respondent.
Oh, they were present.
Yes, they were present.
The officers.
Yes.
IG was present.
The DCI. Yes, Your Lordship. That is the second respondent.
You said your clients.
Yes, Your Lordship. I am here for the first to the sixth respondents.
Correct. So
yes.
I'm trying to get the names of those who are present. Because you said your clients were present.
Yes.
So who are these?
Your Lordship, somebody said was present, who the one was from this affidavit, Your Lordship, among others that have not been identified.
Remember,
Yes.
we are in court
Yes.
with specific people
Yes.
who are named.
To that extent,
Those are the people you
Your Lordship,
represent.
can we retain it that the second respondent?
No, I should be recording you and not misrecording you. You understand?
Yes.
So when you say your clients were there, number one is IG, number two is DCI. So they were present.
Yes. As such.
Yes.
And Your Lordship,
Just about IG, DCI. Who else?
the officers, Your
The
Lordship,
CS.
Your Lordship, so that we are clear, Your Lordship, these are the officers for the first and second respondents who were present, Your Lordship. Put it as Your Lordship, it's being recorded. The Inspector General of Police in person did not visit, but the officers did visit.
No,
Yes.
it depends on how you want us to record you. So if you say your clients were present, these are your clients.
Yes, and I have narrowed down, Your Lordship, to the second respondent.
So the DCI was present.
Yes, officers of the second respondents. In particular, one is indicated here as Samuel K. Lordship, when they broke in, an inventory has already been taken, was taken, Lordship, and it is annexed to number 1 of my affidavit, and all the items that were collected have also been itemized there. Your Lordship, the second petition so that he can answer some of the concerns that the second respondent raised, Your Lordship. The second petition, Your Lordship, I wish to confirm before this honorable court that is not either of the respondents. It is now very difficult, Your Lordship, for order number 3 to be complied with. Order number 5, Your Lordship, directing that the second petition be produced in court, Your Lordship, because my clients, Your Lordship, I insist, do not have...
Do not insist in court. You persuade the court.
Your Lordship, I persuade this court.
So if you are insisting, they will insist. And
Your Lordship,
then
there are many. I am just expecting another from them.
let me conclude.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you take that route, they will insist, and the next thing you will have an exchange. So in court, we don't insist, we try to persuade.
Your Lordship, I stand guided and I want to believe, Your Lordship, I have persuaded this honorable court because we are all here to seek justice and for the...
So what do you want us to do, as you say you do not have him?
Your Lordship, according to the affidavit that I filed yesterday, the investigations are still ongoing. We are still pursuing the petition. We can be given more time for us to actually investigate.
Are you looking for him or you are pursuing him?
We are...
Those are two different things.
Your Lordship, as I indicated, if you look at paragraph 4, a complaint was also made.
Mr. Marwa, the deponent is speaking. Now you are in court presenting.
Yes, my client.
So if you want to use his words, it will make a difference. So what are you asking the court to do for now?
The court should give us more time, Your Lordship.
So are you looking for him or you are pursuing him? You know the difference.
Your Lordship, we are looking for the petition. Your Lordship, that is all, Your Lordship. I requested that at this point, Your Lordship, my clients to give them a bit of time.
Enough with the lies. Your clients are the abductors. Go tell them to produce the second petitioner in court. Enough with the lies. You must stop the abductions. You must stop extrajudicial killings. We will not come here to listen to your stories. You have abducted someone. His family is crying, and you are here telling us stories. Enough is enough. Extrajudicial killings and disappearances must end now. We must stop this madness. We must stop these evil things you are doing to us. It is not right to abduct someone and not present them to court. And you are here telling us stories about... Let me speak. I will sit down. This is not right. Why should they abduct someone and instead of producing them to court, they come here to start telling us stories about, I don't know, my client did this. Your client what? Then what are we supposed to do? If the people who are supposed to protect us have turned out to be the greatest threat to our security.
Can we proceed, Senior Counsel?
Yes. Well, we have heard the counsel for the respondents. I want to begin by referring you to the wording of order number 5. And if you allow me, I'll read it in extenso. That the Inspector General of Police and the Director of Criminal Investigations were named as the first and second respondents, and also the fifth and sixth respondents in their personal capacities, are hereby directed to produce Ndiang'ui Kinyagia, the second petitioner, in court tomorrow, the 1st of July 2025, in default, the Inspector General of Police and the Director General of Criminal Investigations do attend court to show cause why Ndiang'ui Kinyagia, the second petitioner, should not be produced in court or released. It is clear, my lord, that in the absence of Ndiang'ui Kinyagia being produced in court, the Inspector General of the Police, the first respondent, and the Director of Criminal Investigations, the second respondent, ought to be here before you. Nothing whatsoever has been said about their blatant disobedience of the court order that they do not, and that is in there is nothing in the replying affidavit of the respondents of Samuel Itegi to tell us how far they have gone with the investigations and what they have done, if at all, to find Ndiang'ui Kinyagia. This matter has been very, very public, to the extent that yesterday, my lord, the DCI, the second respondent, at 4 p.m., long after you had adjourned the hearing and given your orders, therefore we assume that he knew he's supposed to be in court today, decided to appear before the public and deny having Ndiang'ui Kinyagia in his custody. So he will deny publicly, but he will not come to assist the court to reach a decision. And he will deny publicly in a matter that is sub judice. A very, very disturbing feature of the affidavit of the respondents is to be found in their annexure, their sole annexure to their replying affidavit, which is the inventory of the things taken from Ndiang'ui Kinyagia's side. It's page 10 and 11. If you look at that, my lord, and look at our annexure attached to the affidavit, further affidavit of Florence Muturi, sworn on the 27th day, yesterday, not yesterday, 27th day of June, which was Monday, where we attached as FM1 the inventory taken of items taken from Ndiang'ui's house. You will, on the face of it, discover that the annexure SI1 of the replying affidavit of the respondents appears to be a forgery. And which makes the second.
So which one are you referring to?
I would request that my lord has both of them. The one attached to the respondent's replying affidavit, the first page, and the one attached to our further affidavit for FM1. Ours is in color. Theirs is in black and oh, I'm told it's also in black and white. It's my copy that is in color. If you look at those two, my lord.
Just give me a minute.
Also, here, house. This one does not have recovered. Yeah. 2025 on the petitioner's supporting affidavit is typed, while the 25,
I thought you go
yeah,
over the respondents,
okay, let me do that.
and when you are done, you now come to the petitioner,
that.
so that there
It's
is,
methodical.
yes.
Okay,
So
the differences, we have noticed
the
several
date has
differences.
21st,
I had ST
20, yes.
signify 21st,
yes,
and the date 2025, 20 is typed,
Yes.
25
yes,
is written by hand.
yes.
Then it has 6 items. It ends at number 6. Next, Jane Jango. Then when you come to the respondents, not to the respondents, to the applicant.
So you're done with the respondents?
I'm done with the respondents.
So the differences are
The
the
differences are
date,
date
the year.
21st does not have an ST, and the
items
year.
are 6. I'm done.
And,
I've marked 21st ST.
yes, and then the 2025 is typed whole. It's not written by hand. Unlike theirs.
I'm on the respondents.
Oh, we finished with the respondents. I've now started
Yes,
with our.
so I'm confirming that I got you right.
Yeah, the differences are
21st.
ST and 25 written in pen
Yes.
instead of typing.
Okay. Then the items are
Are
6.
6.
The witness Jane
Jane
Jango.
Jango.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay.
Those are the 3 notable things in that one.
Mhm.
On the one by the petitioner,
Yes.
the date does not have ST. And I've just noticed one more issue, but I'll mention it. Doesn't have ST, and 2025 is wholly typed, not written by hand. And this particular, if you allow me to point a difference I didn't point on the other,
No, let's go.
all of it, yeah.
No, let's go the way you went.
Okay, and then I
Items you
come back.
identified, then you now
Come back.
highlight the one you think
Okay.
is outstanding.
Inventory of items above the date taken.
Mhm.
Inventory of items taken,
Mhm.
it says ceased from inventory of items taken.
Stroke ceased.
For the purpose of investigations.
Yes.
Note that one, I'll come back to show a difference somewhere else. Then we go to the items. My lord, this one has 7 items. That is the petitioners. And there is overwriting on the item numbers. Number 6 is cancelled because number 5 appears to continue up to number 6, so it's cancelled. Number 6 is cancelled. Number 7,
Item.
the numbering. You can see a cancellation on the letter 6 and then an imposed writing on the number below to be 6. A cancellation below number 6, the imposed number 6, and then an imposed number 7. So the petitioners have 7 items and the numbering has been changed.
Yes.
Then witness, it is cut, but it appears, the signature appears to be there. other one. Where is it? You can see house of Kinyagia, Ndiang'ui. A feature that is also will distinguish the petitioners is the item number 7, which talks of okay. Item number 7 is that on our annexure, the petitioner's annexure,
Your Lordship, I don't know if it is proper at this moment for me to clarify.
No.
No, no.
is 2 pages. Ours is all on 1 page. Okay, this is yeah. So we do not have the signature of lawyers.